Here we have the first official look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide and the Z Fold 8 Ultra dummy units shared by well-known Samsung tipster Ice Universe. While these are not final retail devices, they often reveal the overall design, dimensions, camera layout, and form factor long before launch. The first thing that immediately stands out is the size difference. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra appears noticeably taller and wider than the regular Galaxy Z Fold 8. When placed side by side, the Ultra model looks significantly larger, suggesting Samsung is pushing for a more tablet-like experience when unfolded. If these dimensions are accurate, the Ultra could offer a much bigger canvas for productivity, multitasking, and media consumption. Looking at the front panels, the Ultra also appears to feature a wider cover display. This could solve one of the biggest complaints users have had with Samsung foldables for years. A wider outer screen would make typing, browsing, and everyday use feel much more natural without needing to unfold the device constantly. Now let's talk about the design. Samsung seems to be embracing a more boxy and premium aesthetic this year. Both devices feature flat sides, sharp corners, and a very clean industrial look. The design feels closer to the Galaxy S Ultra series than previous Fold generations, giving these foldables a more flagship appearance. The camera setup is where things become really interesting. The standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 appears to feature a dual camera system on the back, while the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is shown with a triple camera arrangement. This suggests Samsung may be creating a much bigger gap between the regular Fold and the Ultra model than ever before. The Ultra's camera rings also appear larger and more prominent, hinting at bigger sensors or more advanced imaging hardware. While exact camera specifications remain unknown, Samsung could be reserving its best photography features exclusively for the Ultra version. Another detail worth noticing is the overall thickness. Even though these are dummy units, both devices look impressively slim. Samsung has been aggressively reducing the thickness of its foldables over the past few years, and these images suggest that trend is continuing with the Fold 8 lineup. What's even more surprising is how compact the regular Galaxy Z Fold 8 looks next to the Ultra. It almost feels like Samsung is positioning the standard Fold as the more portable option. A surprise new leak is now stealing the spotlight. According to popular tipster Ice Universe, a Korean netizen recently spotted what appeared to be a Samsung employee using the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 at a restaurant in South Korea. The device was reportedly hidden inside Samsung's internal anti-leak protective case, a special enclosure typically used on prototype units to conceal the final design. Because of that, most of the hardware remained hidden, with only parts of the display and frame visible. What makes this sighting so important is that this is the first time the Galaxy Z Fold 8 has been spotted in the real world. Shortly after the sighting, 2 photos of the device surfaced online. While the images are quite blurry, they still reveal some interesting details. In the first photo, the phone is sitting on a table inside its protective case and does not appear to show much. However, the second image tells a very different story. The device looks noticeably wider than previous Galaxy Z Fold models. It also appears shorter, creating a completely different form factor compared to earlier generations. This could be a major change for Samsung's foldable lineup, and there is a good reason why this matters. One of the biggest complaints about Samsung foldables has always been the narrow outer display. A wider design could finally address that issue and provide a much more comfortable experience when using the phone while folded. Even more interesting, the proportions seen in these real-world photos closely match CAD renders that leaked several months ago. If that comparison is accurate, it could mean those earlier design leaks were correct all along. Leaks say Samsung is giving it a massive 7.6-inch inner display with a wider 4:3 aspect ratio. That means movies, gaming, multitasking, and content consumption could feel way more tablet-like than before. But wait, the outside screen is where things get really interesting. Apparently, Samsung is using a wider 5.4-inch cover display too. So unlike older Fold devices that felt tall and narrow, this one could actually feel comfortable to use while closed. And here's the crazy part. Samsung may finally be fixing the biggest complaint people had about Fold phones' battery life. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is rumored to pack a 4800 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging, while still weighing around just 200 grams. That is seriously impressive for a foldable this large. Now before you get too excited about cameras, there is a catch. Leaks suggest the Fold 8 Wide may only use dual 50-megapixel rear cameras, a primary sensor and an ultra-wide sensor. That sounds surprisingly basic for such an expensive device. But Samsung might be doing that on purpose. Instead of chasing crazy camera hardware, the company seems focused on productivity, multitasking, and creating a true tablet-style experience. What exactly is Samsung cutting to make the Z Fold 8 Wide cheaper? Well, new leaks may have revealed the answer. According to multiple sources, Samsung could be using a very smart strategy this year. Instead of ruining the phone with weak hardware, The company may only reduce the camera specs people barely notice, while secretly upgrading the features that actually matter. Here's where things get interesting. The regular Galaxy Z Fold 8 is rumored to keep Samsung's powerful 200-megapixel main camera, the same sensor found in devices like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And honestly, that makes sense. Samsung reportedly loves this camera system because it delivers insane detail. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.